Hopping in the studio, she wanna take her. I wanna take her out of hell. She said she straight from Nottingham. I lock her down for Lauderdale. Yeah, run up the money, you know that I gotta get it, nigga. Gotta get it to me, but any means necessary. Got another check, I mean, I already ran through it. And money, girl, I mean, I already ran through it. Go through the back row, steady counting these bitches, nigga. If I get on the beat, then you know that I gotta kill a nigga. She fool with my swagger, she said that she like my image. Young AC running up, it's probably what I ain't. Young AC shitting on Taco Bell. Young AC shitting on, gotta use the pants on. Young AC having all of you fans on. Take care of your people, y'all ain't never got no money on you. Smoking on this, look at me loading it till the morning. Started counting none of these women be all on me. I don't give a fuck about nothing when I'm loaded. Thumbing through the bridges, right around town with it. Shoot it from a distance, I promise I when I miss you with it. They be shitting on it because they can never get a picture. When she on my dick, she gon' tell this shit like a heavy hitter. No, you cannot run from the 30 clip, I got full of stitches. No, they cannot stand when you getting the money on you. When it's all falling down, tell me what you gon' do. Going through a lot, I wanna tell you what I'm going through. Gotta get the quality and I gotta get a like it, saying go back to the bottom. I promise to never do it, nigga. Laughing at it, I'll be like, nah. Gotta fit my problems whenever I'm going through it. And if I'm going through it, I always give me the guide. And I'm running up the money, you know that I gotta get it. They hire young AC, cause I'm on top now. And I'm not really worried about nobody opinion. I ain't worried about the money, cause I get a whole lot now. Talk about my body be having so much to say about me. I get on these beaches, just rap, but don't even think about it. Young AC, it always be shot clock. Hey, dogs, nah.